Hey guys, as you can hear, it's lawnmower day, and fired mine up and got the front yard going, but got a little problem here, and I'll show you. These are the screw holes, and as you see, they've been tore. It's supposed to look just like that. The reason why they're tore is just wear and tear. I know this is the original one, and I know this mower is over 20 years old. So I keep these whenever I get a scrap pile and find one. I tear apart all the good stuff out of the mower. So that's what we're going to do today, is we're going to install this. But I'm going to show you here how to take this off without it flying in your face. You got your handle here. The handle here, it's got a knot in it, and looks like that. You just take a pair of snippers and cut it off. Your handle will come off. That way it'll slide through here. It'll also slide through here. And also slide through your plastic hood ornament, which probably will not be going on anymore because it is a nuisance and it vibrates. So I'll probably just leave the old Briggs & Stratton brand on it. But alright, let's get started. Alright, so what you do here is you either get a screwdriver or you get a 1/4-inch socket. And loosen that. Like so. A better view. There you go. This is a special screw, as you see. It has a threaded end plus a bushing. So you want to always keep those because they're pretty expensive. When you lift this up, there'll be a snap ring, and these two holes here, there's two plastic they look like pins, and they come out, and when they come out they connect onto the sides here, which makes the ratcheting motion. It tells the mower to start up, and then it'll start. It'll look just like that. And then when two pins come out, it'll make contact, and then when you crank on it, it'll rotate, and when it rotates, boom, it'll fire up. Magneto, we'll tell spark plug, fire. So this shaft here is a threaded section, and that's pretty much all that holds it in. So that is how you take apart your pull string. So I'll be back in a little bit and we'll be assembling the whole thing. Alright. One thing I did forget to mention, guys, is that in the back of these pull strings there is a spring. Now it's a loaded spring, but see that clip right there? That slot? That's where the spring sits. And if you unbound that spring, it's a pain. But you can get it on there. It's just a pain. So, word of advice, do not make your spring pop out of this tab. Because if you do, you're going to have all day trying to figure out how to get it on there. Alright. See you guys in a bit. Here she is, guys. She's running. How you doing? So, guys like this content, make sure you like, subscribe. Later.